Pleasant morning, my dear students. Welcome back in your English class. Today I am again here with interesting topic, and that is proverbs. You know that today we are going to start a work in our workbook C and chapter 13. So I hope you all are ready with your books. So get ready with your workbook C. So here is the topic, beta. Today we are going to study about a different topic, that is proverbs. You know that what are proverbs? First of all, you can see that proverbs express truth. Proverbs express truth based on common sense and experience. Means our forefathers, our ancestors, they had some experience, okay, and they had shared their experience. So actually, these proverbs, these are based on the experience only, and these are just means based on that experience. The meaning of a proverb is different from its literal meaning. From its literal meaning means according to the words, it's not translation from words to words. It has a different meaning. Okay, for example, you can see here, no use crying over spilled milk. If you will see this milk, so here in this proverb it is not based on milk. Okay, actually it is based on a experience. Okay. For example, you can see that no use crying over spilled milk. Means once if you are just milk is on the gas stove and if it has already spilled, so if we will cry, what will happen? Would we get the milk back? No. But if we will go for the meaning of this proverb, it has a different meaning. It means that if something has happened, so we cannot just change that. Okay. We can make more efforts, but we cannot change that. So the meaning of this is, if something has happened, we should not just think about that thing again and again. Okay. Next one is walls have ears. Walls have ears means wall. Is it having any ear? No. So it is based on the experience. Again means when you are just talking, when you are saying something, when you are having an important discussion, maybe somebody can listen that, maybe somebody is listening to your conversation, okay, or when you are sharing your secret, maybe somebody is listening your secrets. So it means that walls have ears. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. So this is the that proverb. Okay. Now you just open your course book, this workbook C 13.2 exercise. You can see that if you will open. See, you can underline this same, all these things are given in your workbook. Proverbs express truth based on common sense and experience. The meaning of a proverb is different from its literal meaning. Okay. Now you can see here some proverbs are given. A dog is a man's best friend. A dog is a man's best friend. Means a dog is a loyal, faithful animal. Okay. And it can serve the man. So a friend in need is a friend in need. It is a common saying whenever you are writing paragraph also, then also you write a friend in need is a friend in need. Means a real friend is the one who always helps us during the time of need, who is helping us whenever we are in the problem. A friend, a true friend, always help us. Okay. So many other are there. A person is known by the company he keeps, and birds of a feather flock together. So means there are different. Afterwards, no use crying over spilled milk, and between the devil and deep sea. Devil and deep sea means when you are in the problems and you have to choose one, but in both the sides there is a problem. Means to choose between two equally bad alternatives in a dilemma. So means when you have both the problems in both the sides, you have to choose one. So like that. So now after this, the pen is mightier than the sword. It means we can, if in written some information is there or any law is there, then it is more powerful. Okay. So walls have your same we did that means somebody may be listening to your conversation. So now after this question A that you have to do beta in the book, I will provide you answers also. But first you all will try yourselves only. All that glitters is not all that very attractive, it doesn't mean that it is very nice for us or it is very useful for us. So first answer is very easy. All that glitters is not gold. Okay. Now I will provide you some other proverbs also. So you should know actually them and you have to learn them. Okay. Next, you can't teach an old cat, boy or dog. Yes, dog. You can't teach an old dog. Means कुत्ते की पूंछ कभी सीधी नहीं होती, टेढ़ी की टेढ़ी रहती, like that one. So it means if somebody is used of doing some means different things in their own way, if you try to teach them, they will not learn. Means if any old person is there or if anybody is in the habit of doing something, so it's very difficult to change them. Okay, that is called a drowning man will clutch at a straw. डूबते को तिनके का सहारा भी बहुत होता है, like that it is a drowning man will clutch at a straw. Okay, so what is the meaning of when somebody is in a difficult situation? When somebody is in a difficult situation, so third one that you have to write straw means when somebody is in a difficult situation and then he gets a little bit opportunity, it is just like a drowning man will clutch at a straw. Okay. Next one, a fish always rots from the fins, gills or head. Right. A fish always rots from the head. Means if any organization is there and if it is having any failure or demise, it is because of the leader. Okay. If the leader, head means here we are talking about the leader. A fish always rots from the head means an organization always fails because of the leader. Okay, and fails or it can be successful also. A new blend and sweeps clean. Sweep, we are talking about sweeping. It means yes, there is broom. A new broom sweeps clean. So means when any new leader is there, he always works in a different way. Okay, when any boss or leader is there, then he works according to his own choice. Okay, according to his views or his thinking. He mostly tries to change the persons who are working under him. If some new president is here, definitely he or she will change the other members also. That means a new broom sweeps clean. Next one, absence makes the herd grow fonder. Absence makes the herd grow fonder. Means when two friends are apart, they have a means strong affection between. There is a great affection between them. Means when two friends are far away, are apart from each other, then it means their relationship grows stronger. Okay. Next one, all good things must come to an. Come to an. Yes, what will come? And completion of star. Yes, right, students. And means nothing is permanent. Whether that is a happiness or whether that is a sadness, nothing is permanent. Means everything changes with the passage of time. Okay. Now number 7. Sorry, this we have done all. Okay. So which one I left? 4. I think. Okay. It was 5 only, children. It was 5. Now this second 6 and this is 7th. Now 8th one you can see beggars can't be. Yes, beggars can't be choosers. Means if somebody is in the need of something, if they need something, and then if any opportunity, any small thing they are getting, definitely they will take that. Okay, they will not make any choice. So it means beggars can't be choosers. Number 9, a picture paints 1,000. Yes, a picture paints 1,000 words. Means a picture can express lot of things. If you are making a portrait or any drawing, it means it can tell you a lot of things. And then the early bird catches the worm. Means means those people who gets up early in the morning, or just who those people who take the opportunity of doing something. If you have an opportunity and you are doing that work, so definitely you will get the success. But if you have the opportunity but you are not trying to do anything, you are just okay, I will do, no, later on I will do this work, afterwards we will do. So it means we will not be able to do anything. We have to take an action. There is a common saying that actions speak louder than words. So definitely if we are starting to work on time, so definitely we'll get the success. Okay, so these are the proverbs that you have to do in your book only, and please students just try to learn these proverbs. And after this question B also I will provide you, and 13.3 that is also, so these are also proverbs that I will give you a question B we will not do, and after this next topic we will do tomorrow. So that's all for today. Okay, so this is all about proverbs. These are the just general sayings, you can say, which are based on experience. Okay, and they don't have literal meaning, they have different meanings. So tomorrow we'll do the next topic. Thank you students, bye bye, be safe, be happy.